Welcome to our customer tutorial for the high volume bid feature at ingredientsonline.com. On our website, log into your account, or if you do not have an account, you'll need to sign up and create an account first. Once logged in, go directly to a product detail page. To add this product for bid negotiation, select Request High Volume Bid in Tier Pricing and fill out all required fields on form. The package size, warehouse, desired bidding price, desired bidding quantity. And for multiple shipments, please input tentative start date, tentative end date, and tentative release date. For this bid, the quantity entered above will be released within the tentative start date and tentative end dates and at the interval selected in the tentative release schedule. Once all information is input, select Add and Continue Shopping. As products are added to bid negotiation, you can view it in your mini bid cart. Edit details directly here or link to your overall bid. To submit this bid to seller, confirm all details are accurate and input a high volume bid name for your reference. Select Request High Volume Bid to submit this over for sellers to review. Once bid has been submitted, you'll receive a success message and be able to delink to all your bids directly in your account. In your account details, you'll see all of your high volume bids listed under high volume bids. To view all your bids, go to My Account and select High Volume Bids on the left-hand side. From here, you can see all previously submitted bids as well as their current status. For all bids in pending seller review, buyer will not be able to take action. Status will update once seller has either submitted counteroffer, accepted, or rejected this bid. Once bid status has been updated to pending buyer review, you have the following options to either counteroffer, accept, or decline this bid. For counteroffer, you can adjust pricing under bid price. Set desired price and submit counteroffer to send over for seller review. If you approve pricing and quantity on a bid in pending buyer review, you can select Buy to proceed to checkout process. Once you've landed on checkout process, proceed with inputting shipment and payment methods. At the end of checkout, your account manager will reach out to you for follow-up. In pending buyer review, if you as the buyer do not approve a price and wish to stop negotiation on this current bid, select Decline. Declining will then update status of this current bid as well as seller status. Buyer and seller will no longer be able to negotiate directly on this bid. At any point in time, if you as a buyer would like to requote on a declined by buyer bid, select Requote at the top. This will copy product and pricing information, create a new bid, and submit that over to seller for review and negotiations again. For additional bid statuses, you'll see declined by seller. Declined by seller means seller has declined pricing from their end, and negotiations can no longer take place on this bid. Additional status will be pending buyer review, final bid. In this status, you'll be able to buy or decline directly on this bid. The seller has submitted their final offer at this price, and you are no longer able to negotiate. The final status within bids you'll see is expired. Expired status will update once bid has passed the set expiration date. All submitted bids and their statuses will update in live time depending on action taken from seller or buyer. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the high volume bid feature. Contact your account manager with any questions.